In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment on Convertkit. We'll go through the process step by step, so if you're ready, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Convertkit website. If you don't have it bookmarked already, just type Convertkit into your search bar and it should pop right up. Once you're there, you'll want to either log into your account or register if you haven't set up an account yet. Assuming you're all logged in, you'll find yourself on the Convertkit dashboard. From here, what you're going to want to do next is locate the Subscribers tab in the menu. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage all things related to your subscribers. Now you'll notice a link or button that says, "Plus Create a Segment." Click on that to begin creating your segment. This is a crucial step because segments will help you organize your subscribers based on specific criteria, making your email marketing efforts much more targeted and effective. At this point, it's important to give your new segment a descriptive name. Think about the purpose of the segment. Is it for high-value customers, newsletter subscribers, or perhaps another group altogether? For example, if it's for your top customers, a name like high-value customers might be appropriate. Giving it a specific name will help you easily identify the segment later on. With your segment named, it's time to set up the criteria that define who belongs in this group. You'll do this by clicking on Add Filter or a similar button. Convertkit gives you a bunch of great options to choose from when defining your criteria. You can filter by tags, which are labels you can assign to subscribers. You might use custom fields if you've collected specific information about your subscribers. Other options include tracking email activity, such as whether a subscriber opened your recent emails, or even purchases if you're running an e-commerce operation. It's really all about narrowing down your subscribers to match the specific group you want to communicate with. After you've added your filters and set up the criteria to your liking, take a moment to preview the segment. You'll want to ensure that the right subscribers are being included. It's a quick check to verify that everything's working as expected. If the preview looks good, and you're satisfied with the list of subscribers who meet your criteria, go ahead and click Save or Save and Exit to finalize your segment. And that's it. You've successfully created a segment on Convertkit. This will help you send more personalized and targeted communications to your subscribers, boosting your engagement and effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and happy email.